I haven't been watching Cody lately because I feel like he has so many subscribers, and it used to be nice because I was like, it's just me and Cody, but now everyone watches him and I'm like, no.
You're too hipster.
Now I have to change. Anyone else relate? No, it's just me? Okay. Hey guys, this is the foundation I'm using.
Fenty Beauty. I'm using, I don't even know what this is.
Just a random eye pencil.
Just a pencil for my brows.
I'm really liking like a white, like early 2K vibe, so I like pink eyeshadow.
Oh yeah.
And that kind of. Also, we're not professional makeup artists, so don't be like.
Yes, we are. Look how far away we are though.
And just be the comments be like.
I don't think I've ever gotten a comment that's like, you're shit at makeup.
The beauty community, am I right though?
Do you watch Glenn and Gore?
No.
I really like her. She's like the only beauty person that I actually like. Tea.
Yeah. Tea.
And that's the tea.
And that's the tea.
So here we are. You can't see us, but here we are. We're going to be modelling some clothes that
Oh, my tea.
Georgie made.
It's me, hello.
Don't cut my pit.
I'll try my dang best. There we go.
Oh, I think I just dislocated my shoulder.
You're right. Yeah, but you look cute, so.
Oh, okay.
Standy.
There was grass in my
We're
hair.
standing.
You're so cute.
It's a point of view angle. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. One girl came up to me after I did this school thing, and she was like, "Hey, this is really weird, but are you in Zoe's videos?" And I was
Really?
like, yes.
Oh, good shout out to whoever that was.
And I know her. Her name's Sophie. Shout out to Sophie. And she was like, "Yeah, I like read all the comments, and you used to go to school with me." I'm like, "Yeah."
Oh, wow. Bitch, what the small world. If you live in Brisbane, like,
Yeah.
you're bound to at least have one like mutual friend with
Yeah.
me or Jade or Georgie
But,
even.
yeah.
Squad, assemble. Where are we?
Squad.
Oh shit, what is that? Do it again. Oh, bitch. Here's our location. It's got lots of plants. It's you.
Oh my god, are you a beach babe?
Not.
I mean a plant babe?
Can we have a look?
I'm not the best photographer, but
They're cute. Every song.
what? The wholesome squad. Forever together.
So you're just making a theme song for us.
No. Wholesome squad. Forever together. Connected by one. Just checking.
Nom. Oh. Sam, you really went for that note.
Yeah.
We leave this establishment immediately. Now we're on to our next outfit. We need to find somewhere to get changed.
Yeah. I think it'll be a bit too big, but we will try.
Yeah, but that's kind of the fun.
How much is it?
$2.
What?
Oh yes,
I
I
can't
can't
see
see
it.
it.
It's a hanger of nothing. I want to buy them.
Yeah.
Anchor.
Tinkerbell.
Yes.
Someone make a beat.
Wow.
What?
Turn it up.
Ooh.
That was such an aggressive spin.
Anyone who's wondering, Susan is still alive.
Montague code.
Oh yes, Susan.
Am I turning left here, Susan?
Susan! My stomach is growling.
I'm so hungry. And here we are. All of these outfits are made by Georgie.
It's me.
Congrats. It's Jade, and she's wearing a beautiful mustard that I honestly want and will steal.
I will make
It has a great twirl. I love, what is this called when they do this?
Yeah.
ruffle.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like it.
I like it.
But I actually just pleated it.
It's
For those
amazing.
who sew.
And she's wearing her New Balances. She is wearing a beautiful brown dress with tulle.
Yeah.
Yep, and let's get a close-up of this.
I believe he's hand painted them.
Thanks.
All these
It took me
intricate,
forever.
beautiful butterflies. Amazing.
Your turn. This is Zoe. I don't know if you've met her before. And then some shoes.
Just seeing you work is inspiring.
Yeah, go for that editorial look. Yes.
Where did I get that from? Did I make it up?
Work, 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 work.
Even though it's so hot, I still feel like soup. She's on the ground. She's on the ground. She's on. Ooh, crouch it, baby, yeah.
Wow,
Hey,
friendship. is magic.
friendship.
So now we are changed. Well, me and Georgie are. Jade's still in her beautiful
Yellow.
number.
Oh yeah.
Georgie,
I just love it.
let's talk about what Georgie is wearing. She's got, you know, this amazing outfit which she made the both or just the top?
Just top.
She made the top. And then she bought this raincoat today from the op shop.
Yes, from where?
From the kids section.
Kids section. It's Hush Puppy, which I think is that a good brand? Who cares?
don't know,
Yeah, it is.
but-
Hush Puppies is expensive.
Amazing.
$7, which in my opinion is op shop ripoff. But
Yeah,
it's a raincoat.
it's a raincoat, so it's premium.
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 Lunch today. Oh, let's go home.
Get that hair up.
I'm getting it up.
We're done. We've done our, oh yeah, we're finished our photo shoot, by the way. That's why we're eating. We're rewarding ourselves.
We're rewarding ourselves with a basic human right ending.
True, because we love doing that.
I look so defeated. I just can't decide.
Oh my god, lit. Yeah.
Over in Western, hit up the train.
Hit up the Trang restaurant. We love it. I'm filming. Alright ladies, how do you rate that? Good. Yeah. Alright, what are we doing? What is today?
Friday night.
Tuesday. What?
You wanna go to Netherworld?
Wait, what day is it?
It's Friday night.
Oh, it is Friday.
You wanna go to Netherworld?
Yeah,
Let's
maybe. Well, do we want to just go back to mine
Yeah.
Yeah.
and chill?
Yeah, I'm happy with that. You know what I noticed when I watch vlogs in America? They have drive-thrus for everything.
Yeah, we don't have that
We
shit
don't have
here.
that shit here. It's Macca's, Hungry
You can get
Jack's,
drive-thru
KFC.
Where?
Yeah.
You can get
But where?
cafes
But where?
here, right?
Yeah, but they're very
Yeah, you
like,
just drive to the
I'm
building.
talking like Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh yeah, we don't.
Y'all in America?
Shout out to all my US viewers because that's most of you.
Really?
Yeah, and
I
then-
thought it
and
was
then it's-
Canada.
And then it's the UK, and Australia is like 3rd or 4th,
Interesting.
and it's like 20%.
Interesting.
It's like not a lot. I mean, it might even be less than that. Okay,
Interesting.
so that's that. Anyone coming? No. Okay, I'm gonna stop vlogging now. Bye.
What is this?
Oh, hold on, wait, hold on.
Alright.
I got.
Okay. You guys gotta guess what song this is. Okay.
No, how did I start it? Do 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 do
La 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 la
do 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 do. Sleeping with the fishes.
Okay, bye. I don't like you.
Stop.